Hey guys, this is Gunther with We Do Boats with just a tech tip here, just really helpful to show you how to actually go through your outdrive props and show you how to remove them for servicing. And if you actually happen to damage your prop blade itself because it gets bent because you happen to hit a bank or something like that, I'm just going to show you how to disassemble this and be able to pull it all off. It's a very simple procedure. Only need a handful of tools. The first thing we're going to start with is actually taking out this set screw. It's a 3/16 1/4" set screw. Let's go ahead and loosen that guy up. You don't have to back them out all the way. You just want to make sure that you get the set screw off the shaft because it's just meant to grip the shaft so that way your prop does not slide off. God forbid something ever happens to your bolt. I'm going to go ahead and grab a 1/4" ratchet with a 7/16 socket. I'm going to break off this prop bolt. Go ahead and pull out the whole assembly. Now, the other thing to do to pull off the actual prop itself is you're just going to go ahead and need what we call lady slippers. It's just a genuine pry bar, just a little differently shaped. If you can use a normal pry bar to wedge it back in there, it's whatever you have at your will to be able to get this off. Pry tools are the best tools. And you just got to gently work it off. Just like that, the prop comes off. And if you guys look actually on the other side of the prop, you can see that there's a small keyway. And if you look on the shaft of the prop, you can actually see the small keyway that holds that prop onto the shaft of the prop motor. Alrighty guys, getting back to this, now that you've got your prop off, you want to just go ahead and inspect your shaft, make sure it's free of debris, it rotates freely, there's no fishing line, nothing caught up in there. You don't want it to get past this weedless adapter and ruin the seal that's behind that. Taking your new prop now and your new prop kit, you want to make sure you line up, once again, that little prop key channel and the prop key on the shaft. Make sure that's lined up. And you can use a piece of 2x4 or a dead blow hammer that is rubber coated to beat this back on. You just want to hit it until it's flush with it. Make sure that it spins freely around your outdrives. And inside your new prop kit, you're going to see your lock for your bolt, 3 washers, and a bushing in your bolt. You're going to put the bolt through your rivet lock, put your washers back on your bolt without dropping them, put your bushing on, add your blue Loctite, very important, prevents that bolt from backing out. Go ahead and insert that in there by hand, and feel free to use that 1/4" ratchet and go ahead and put this guy back in there. You're going to tighten this bolt down just past snug. You don't want to go too tight, you don't want to be too loose. And also grabbing the head of the 1/4" ratchet helps significantly, so that way the leverage does not break the bolt. So once you've got that in place, you want to take your 3/16 drill bit and a drill and drill directly through the pre-drilled hole in the lock, going through the prop, not the shaft. And you're only going to go in probably about 1/8 of an inch deep, just deep enough for this rivet to hold itself inside of the prop. So once your 3/16 hole is drilled, go ahead and insert your rivet. Make sure it's flush up against that piece of metal tang. Grab your rivet gun. Rivet that bad boy in place. Using a cold chisel and a hammer, you're just going to go ahead and gently peel back these tabs. You're going to fold these over the flats of the bolt to prevent it from turning. And that's how you change your props. Of course, just make sure they freely spin once again. Make sure it does not hit any of your skigs or your weedless blades. And that's how you install your prop.